So my crappy little brother is gonna actually be shooting me, and I'm just gonna get out there, and you'll be able to see me get shot like a little bitch. This one hurt more. We have to be scientific, so best out of 3. We have to find the average. Oh shit. Oh, that one really hurt. That one did not hurt. It's fair to say that my brother now needs to get shot. Alright guys, so it took a little bit of convincing. Quick tour of how I convinced him. We've got some convincing bracelets and some socks. We've also got this little GoPro mount, let's call it. Oh no guys, oh no, oh no, oh no, he can move, oh no. Wait. No, fuck you. That's right, stay away. Alright, I think he's learned his lesson for today. Sorry about that, guys. My brother managed to escape. I'm sorry about that. Don't mind the red hands. I don't know what happened. We'll just get back on track. Real quickly, guys, before I finish the video here, I just really quickly wanted to let you know, before you go and do any of this, make sure to look up Airsoft regulations in your local area, because you don't want to have any problems, alright? Guys, I'm really sorry I have to end it right here, but I've just had so much stress lately. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'm sorry for this. Please tell my mom and dad that I love them. Goodbye guys.